In my previous video, we have learned about the basic concepts about percentage. In this video, I will teach you some of the problem solving involving percentage in daily life, and we'll start right now. Hello everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you'd like to improve in your math skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Well, do you know what is the most famous word when it comes to shopping? Let me give you a clue. All the machi-machi, aunties, they love this word when they come out to shopping. Do you know what is that word? Yes, that's right. The word is discount. So, what's the meaning of discount? A discount means a deduction from the original price. That means the price that we're going to pay will be cheaper than the usual price. So who doesn't love discount, right? So today, I'm going to teach you how to calculate discount so that you can become a smart shopper. Let's go! How to calculate discount? To calculate discount, we use this formula, which is percentage discount times with the total price. Let's look at this example. Let's say this notebook, the price is 3,000 ringgit and the shop offers 25% discount. To calculate the amount of discount, we use 25% of 3,000 ringgit. So 25%, we change it to fraction to become 25 over 100 times with 3,000 ringgit. So we calculate this, so 25 times with 3,000 and then divided by 100, we get 750 ringgit.
Mommy,
Yes?
I received so much money this year. What should I do with it?
Of course you keep your money inside the bank, my dear. This is because at the end of the year, the bank will give you interest and then your money will grow even more.
Oh, I didn't know that. Mommy, can we go to the bank now?
Okay, let's go! How to calculate simple interest on savings? To calculate simple interest, we use this formula, which is P times R times T. P stands for principal, which is the money that we put in at first. R stands for the rate offered by the bank, and T stands for time, which is in year. Let's look at this example. Jayden deposited 1,000 ringgit into his savings account in a bank at a rate of 3% simple interest per annum. So per annum means per year. How much interest will he receive after 1 year? So to calculate this, we use the formula P times R times T. So P is 1,000 ringgit, R is 3%, and T is 1 year. So 3% we have to convert to become fraction 3 over 100. And then we calculate this. 1,000 times with 3 over 100 times 1. Therefore, the interest that he will receive after 1 year is 30 ringgit. Good morning, Lina. Can you please check for me what is the sales for last month in January? Good morning, boss. For last month in January, we managed to achieve 80,000 ringgit in sales. That's not bad. How about the sales in February? For this month, we managed to break our record, which is 100,000 ringgit in sales, boss. Wow, that's great! So what is the percentage of increase of sales from January to February? Hold on a minute, boss. Let me calculate for you. How to calculate the changes in percentage? To calculate the changes in percentage, we use this formula, which is difference over original value times with 100%. Let's look at this example. In the month of January, the total sales is 80,000 ringgit, while in the month of February, the total sales is 100,000 ringgit. So to calculate the percentage of increase in sales from January to February, we find the difference, which is 100,000 minus 80,000 over original value, which is 80,000, times with 100%. So 100,000 minus 80,000 is 20,000. So 20,000 over 80,000 times 100%, the answer is 25%. Before we learn how to calculate the percentage of profit and loss, we have to understand the meaning of profit and loss. What is the meaning of profit? Profit means the amount of earnings exceeds the expenses, or the selling price is more than the cost price. For example, I bought this speaker from a supplier for 250 ringgit, and then I sold it to my customer for 300 ringgit. Therefore, the profit that I've earned is 300 ringgit minus 250 ringgit, and is equals to 50 ringgit profit. So, what is the meaning of loss? Loss means the amount of earnings is less than the expenses, or the selling price is less than the cost price. For example, I bought this camera a few years back for about 3,000 ringgit, and then I plan to sell it to a second-hand shop for 2,000 ringgit. So therefore, my loss is 3,000 ringgit minus 2,000 ringgit, which is 1,000 ringgit. How to calculate the percentage of profit or loss? To calculate the percentage of profit or loss, we use this formula, which is profit or loss over cost times 100%. Let's look at example 1. Given the cost price is 250 ringgit and the selling price is 300 ringgit. So if the selling price is more than the cost price, therefore it's a profit. So to calculate the percentage of profit, we find the difference. So 300 minus 250 over the cost price, which is 250, times 100%. Therefore, the answer is 20%. Now let's look at example 2. Given cost price is 1,000 ringgit and the selling price is 600 ringgit. So if the selling price is less than the cost price, therefore it's a loss. So to calculate the percentage of loss, we find the difference. 1,000 minus 600 over 1,000 times with 100%, we'll get 40%. Buying a home is a really big deal, and it can be very helpful to have a real estate agent in your corner. However, these professionals don't work for free, and they are compensated with something called commission. It typically amounts to a percentage of a home selling price. The same goes to buying a car. How to calculate commission? To calculate commission, we have to use this formula, which is percentage of commission times with total sales. Let's look at this example. Stephen gets a commission of 10% for every car that he sells. He sold 5 cars worth 80,000 ringgit each last month. How much commission did he get from the sales? So the amount of commission that he received is 10% times 80,000 ringgit times 5 cars. So 10% means 10 over 100. So times with 80,000 ringgit times 5 cars. So the answer is 40,000 ringgit. Well, that's all for now. Do you wish to see more videos like this? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this video useful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my new videos every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys will keep on learning, keep on practicing, and keep on watching my videos, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!